Oh my gosh. That looks like, Andy, that's a shelf cloud. Oh, it's right above me. Yes, I got it. So, today we have a pretty decent chance for thunderstorms. Net Weather has issued a 40% risk. Met Office have issued yellow warnings for areas. And on the radar, it shows some very heavy showers to be coming across this area. And it already looks like something's developing here. Look at this. I've been doing some time lapses of some stuff down there, and there's been some big towering cumulus clouds that's been bubbling up. I'm not sure what that is, but that could be a beaver's tail. Bit of an updraft, you can see it sort of feeding into there. Look at these are mesmerizing. So that's right ahead of us. That is a very heavy shower, and that hopefully could produce some lightning. Some seriously menacing clouds down there. Right, so we've right now found the perfect spot to go storm chasing. It's like a little ice cream area. But in front of me, there's actually a possible shelf. You know, I'm going to set up the camera. Right, so that shelf cloud that I was watching down there currently looks like it's sort of dissipated. We've got like a heavy shower developing here. You'll see them from the angle tops. Oh yeah, that's dark. Right there. Yeah, got a good view of it now. Shelf clouds developing back again. That front. That, you know, that whole area is probably a shelf cloud. That actually might be really close. Look, that's really dark. Those bolts. I would have freaking got that. Right, should be able to detect any more lightning. I should be able to video any more lightning's happening. Oh yes, I just got more lightning. Whoops. Oh, there you go. Yeah. See? Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw bolts. That is another cell that's forming near Gloucester, and that could actually be doing something. Look at this. So we've right now got this cell near Gloucester that looks like it's about to start producing lightning. Don't I just do this? It's a bit hard on this. Tell us. Sorry? Some serious like convection going on. Oh my god, Andy, we need to stay here. Look at how dark that is.
Are you cool me now?
Yeah, it's cool. Pudding. That's a hell of a... Is that from the storms?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god. Seriously though.
Well, that one was quite dark, isn't it?
Well, if it starts producing lightning, we can chase this. That's really nice, actually. There, I completely missed the heavy rain though. Near Cheltenham and Tewkesbury. So it's going to be quite... That looks pretty dark. Seems to be some sort of updraft sort of forming towards the front of that. Right, so we're currently entering the M5, now trying to chase another cell that's developed in near Worcester. It's actually a new cell. The old cell was near Redditch and was heading towards Worcester. That one dissipated and a new one actually formed really near that one. Yeah. So right now the Worcester cell has unfortunately dissipated, but there's new sort of showers developing ahead of it, which is what happened with the Redditch cell, with the cell that formed near Redditch, and then that basically another one formed ahead of it, and that was the Worcester cell. And the same thing is now happening. The same thing looks like it might be happening right now. So we've just arrived at Bird Lip Viewpoint, and the original cell that was near Worcester, I actually don't know where that is. I think it's somewhere down there. But now we've actually got a new developing cell that's forming right in front of us, and actually this should go right over us. We could be in a really good position.
It's just there. Just that's.
How far is that away?
We're already close, yeah.
Right, let's get out of here. Alright, as expected, Cheltenham Cell's now producing lightning. That is that shelf cloud. That, oh my gosh. That looks like, Andy, that's a shelf cloud. What? That is a...
Yeah, it's probably, lightning was probably there, yeah?
Oh my god.
Where do you want to go?
Should we just we'll go towards this?
Well, I think Pretty Hill's probably the best. I mean,
Right,
it's facing a similar direction though, that's the problem, it's not facing that way.
Oh yes. Andy, this is literally right above us.
Let's get straight on that way.
Yeah. There's not going to be a problem now, considering how close this is.
I know it's left here, it's just here. It's just here.
Oh, it's just down there, yeah.
It's just left, isn't it?
Oh, yes, dude. With a shelf, maybe, for me? Oh, that was lining possibly there.
Yeah, okay, good. You got the car, yeah.
Because look, it's literally going to come right over us now. Right, so that right there is what we're watching. It's actually got a nice updraft base. This, the core of the storm is probably going to hit us right now. Yes! Thunder. It's really strong. Wow.
I don't know, it's probably there to be honest, I'm not entirely sure.
Can I get my phone out of the car?
It's happening north of here, so it's kind of happening there. So I think you should be filming here. For the moment, it's...
Oh crap, it's on the rain now. A lot of thunder coming out of this. Can you screen? Oh my god. Yes! Flash! Right there.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, and it's a shelf possibly. Oh, that was totally worth coming up here now.
Which way do they go? Are they always on the front of the clouds or?
Where, the shelf?
No, no, when it's lightning. Is it on the front of the cloud?
It depends really. Can you screenshot that for me? Wow. Strong, very strong. Oh my god. The shelf is coming right over me. It's done to rain real heavy. You know what, I'm going to get out of here. Because that is going way too close and I could easily get struck right now near a metal fence. Jesus, this thing's right above me. No. It's fine, okay. They're both.
Yeah, well I saw flash.
It's fine,
That's fine, is it?
Yeah.
Even with water on it?
Where? What?
On your lens, that's fine.
Jeez, I should try and still film the storm structure. Where? Behind me? Okay. Oh, it's right above me. got this big shelf cloud that's going right over me. But I'm gonna set this back. My God, I'm shaking right now. Oh, that lightning, that was right above me. There you go. Look up at that. That's insane. It's right above me. It's right above me. Okay, crap, I need to get out of here. Let's put it down there. It's everywhere. Bring the camera. Oh wow, there's a flash, it's behind us. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh no, that was a flash there. Bolt. I think possibly, it might have been a bolt.
The line is basically around us right now.
Holy freaking massive. I think we stay here.
We can get to Buckley if we'd have a maybe slightly better view.
It's pretty decent flooding now. Oh yeah, look all over the road down there, Andy. See the road?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bolts there.
There's lightning going that way as well. Seems to be let's try.
Oh yeah, it's a bolt.
Yeah, there's a bit.
Oh, there's another.
There, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's in focus.
Oh yeah, more. Oh yes, right now. There's another one. Is there a Fontanez gate down there? Oh yeah. Yes, no, bolt. Yeah. Yep, I think it was a CG, wasn't it? Bolt. It was in the corner of the shot. Okay. Well, okay, let's just follow it then. Follow it down the road. Yeah. Bolts. Oh, another one. This is so strong. This is like literally every 20 seconds. Really strong thunderstorm. Another one there. Very heavy, very heavy. Look at the flash there. I think also another one now forming behind us. I think there's two. The wipers, one notch slower. That was a big flash. It's bolts.
That was bolt.
Just it straight down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's flash. Yeah, it's down there.
We're here.
Oh my God, Andy. Yeah, but it's how new though. Those lightning strikes last about 15 minutes.
Big one now.
Yeah, it was a bolt.
Yeah, it was a bolt. And go towards basically Painswick. Stroud.
Let's do this. When you're face down there, basically.
Yeah, I need to come off the boat first. Yeah, there's another one there, another bolt.
Right, how straight down? Where's the storm? Is it basically? Is it just drop a huge bolt? The amount of flooding right now on the road. I need to get a video of this. This is insane. Okay, stop panicking. Just calm down. Right, got huge flooding on the road. Got massive lightning bolts striking absolutely everywhere. Look at all this flooding. Look at all the freaking flooding right now. Oh, we have bolts right now. Oh yeah, that's flash. Right, we're not. Yes, I think that one on the camera. A huge bolt right above me. Oh, this is a terrible idea, Andy.
We can't go that way.
Holy. Andy?
I'm just going to turn around.
This is terrible. That right there is proper flooding. We should go back to the farmer's gate, Andy. It was really good. Trying to do that, yeah. Just literally film from. Keeps going.
It's going over Stroud.
Oh yeah.
There's one right there.
Was it a bolt? Right, if we just stay here then. Watch from here.
move, like I said.
Yes, I got it. I got it. I got a huge one right in the middle of the frame.
Massive. Okay, but it is petering out. Everything's petering out, so I think we should go towards Oak Ridge. Hopefully we'll try and catch it. So this is where they're going home, yeah? They're going to be coming
That was 12 minutes.
Do that?
Volts?
That was a horizontal.
I think, yeah, I might have
Another
seen.
one.
I'm not really able to capture all the flooding that's going on, so I'm going to go down now. Can you point the windshield directly in front of that? Right, the storm that we were chasing has dissipated, and we're now going back home. I think we're calling it a day. There's a storm up past Worcester, although I don't know how that's going to go. You know, it's getting dark. We're losing daylight heating quite fast now. I think that's going to dissipate. Oh, more flooding there. Yeah, we've also been seeing a lot of flooding. There's some big puddles, very big puddles. But yeah, so now it's just raining a little bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider liking and subscribing and commenting, because I really enjoy reading your comments. And with that said, I will see you on the next one.